Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you this furniture makeover. So we're turning an old piece of furniture into something beautiful and new again. So first of all, I'm using this DIY paint. It was sent to me by Jami Vintage and her husband Jeb. She has a YouTube channel and she also has a store and an online store. I'm going to leave all that information linked for you guys where you can purchase this paint from her and also paintbrushes, and you can see tutorials on her YouTube channel on how to use the paint and things like that. So first of all, the paint again is DIY paint. It has 9 ingredients. It's really beautiful texture of paint. It's soft, it's creamy, and they say it's eco-friendly. Only 9 ingredients, all natural, clay and chalk base, and it's all made in the USA. This DIY paint is amazing. They did not pay me for this video, guys. She did send me these samples. And when I tell you, this is the best paint I've used, and the texture is just beautiful with this wax that you apply after you're done painting, and it just brings that paint to a whole nother level. I mean, I absolutely love this paint, guys. I'm going to be ordering so much paint from Jami right now because I have a bunch of furniture I have to paint, so I'm definitely putting in an order with her. And I can't tell you enough good things about this paint. I love it. So anyway, this is the piece of furniture that I picked up from the Goodwill for $15. As you can see, it's really old. It has lots of scratches and dings all over it. All I did was wipe it down and dust it off. So using this paint, you guys, you really have like no prep, because like I told you, I didn't sand it. All I did was wipe it off and dust it off, and you guys will see once it's done and I'm painted it all, you won't see any of those dings or scratches. So it's super easy to use. So I'm using the Hello Sailor and the beaded, I forgot the name of it, but that white color there. And I'm just starting with a small brush that I have here, and I'm applying that beaded color right in the center of the doors here, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the Hello Sailor around it. And we're also going to use a spray bottle with just water in it. I watched a Jami Vintage video. I'm going to leave that linked as well to show you how she shows how to do this technique that I'm doing here. So she used vinegar in her water, but I didn't have any vinegar at the time, so I just used water, and she usually just uses water anyway, so that's what I did. Now I'm going to go ahead and use that Hello Sailor color, which I absolutely love. It's just gorgeous. And here is the brush that she sent. So again, I'm just using plain old water in a spray bottle. And I'm just literally soaking all that paint. And what that does, it just reactivates the paint. And now that's going to let that paint just drip down and blend in with that white, so we can get that blended color. So for the rest of the video where I'm painting, I'm basically doing the same exact technique where just in the front area and then on the sides where I add the white in the center, and then around that I use that navy sailor and then spray, let it dry, add some more and spray again. It's just a process, and that's all I do to the entire piece of furniture. So now I reapplied some more paint, just a little at a time, and then again with the spray bottle, let it dry, and as I need to add more, I go ahead and do that. It did take me probably about total time, probably about 5 hours to complete this project. And you guys, I just love it, and I cannot tell you guys how great this paint is. I've used other chalk paints like Waverly chalk paint, which I do like also, but this is just totally different than that type of chalk paint. Again, this is a chalk and clay base, and remember, it's all natural, so it doesn't have like any strong smell. Actually, it has like a nice smell to it, which is really weird, but it does, and it's just amazing. I love this paint. I just love the finish of it. It's absolutely awesome. Okay, so now I'm done with the painting and I'm going to go ahead and sand. I'm using a 220 grit and I'm using my palm sander here. I did this initially just like a quick sand with the palm sander, and then I ended up using a brick sander by hand. So here is the wax, the DIY wax. That's what it looks like. This stuff is amazing as well. I usually use the Waverly wax, and this thing is just on a whole nother level, guys. Once you apply the wax to the paint, that's the 220 brick that I used after the palm sander. Once you apply the wax to the paint, it literally brings it to a whole nother level, you guys. I mean, the finish on this is so soft. It's like, it's just amazing. I just love it, love it, love it. So thanks Jami Ray Vintage and her husband Jeb for sending me these samples. I absolutely love it. And it's so easy to use. And I mean, literally no prep time. And this stuff is just so good. I'm definitely going to be ordering some more paint from you guys. So again, thank you for sending me those samples. And you guys remember, I'm going to leave all their information in the description bar. You have her YouTube channel and her online store. And you guys can see the tutorials. She does like amazing pieces of furniture. Her and her husband, they work together. They have like 5 kids. They're an awesome family. So definitely check them out. I know you're going to love her channel. If you go over there, let her know I sent you over there. Couponing forever. And that's it, guys. I'm going to just go ahead and finish waxing this. And I'll show you the after. I actually was at a craft fair last weekend and I brought this with me, so I'll show you guys how it looks there and then a picture of it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, check out Jami Ray Vintage on YouTube as well. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can catch more DIY videos, and please like and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Here's the before and the after.